Today we've got our first social event for the 2018 interns. This event we're at Lucky Strike, have some food, do a little bit of bowling, and get to know each other.
I come from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, and I'm currently doing a BIM internship. So I get to work on different projects, but I get to look at every individual project that they're doing, which I think is pretty cool.
I mean, today it's pretty cool. I'm getting to meet all the other interns, so it's nice to see everyone else out here.
I've met all the interns. They're great people to learn from and just to hang out with.
Getting to be a mentor is actually something I've wanted to do since my internship, and it really influenced my choices coming out of college and going into the real world. It gave me traction coming out of school.
At Bernard's, we're an ESOP now, so we're all owners of the company, and we want to share the camaraderie that the rest of the company has and share that experience with the interns and kind of get them used to hanging out with each other and getting to know each other. And if they have fun here and can get along here, they'll be getting along at the projects and working hard together on the jobs.